So what we want to achieve now is to clip max this image, this picture of Lookman here, into this text, which is Lookman, an African legend of our generation. So we want to clip max this picture into this text. So I'll bring the text this way, then I'll duplicate the image by right clicking on the layer and selecting duplicate layer. Then once I duplicate that layer, I'll take the duplicate up to the top of the text. So I'll right click and select create clipping mask. Wow, so the text that is covered by the picture of Lookman is being clip maxed into the text. Interesting.